Hi guys, welcome back. Kelly from Moonlight here. We've got the Perth Diesel Performance truck in here so we can show you our VDJ70 series products. This truck has got all of our VDJ70 series products. Let me show you what we've got under the bonnet and how everything looks. So this car has our 4-inch stainless steel snorkel, recessed and cut into the guard. This one can be used to cover up your factory snorkel, or it can be used to cover up an existing safari snorkel. As well as the snorkel, it's got our Moonlight airbox. It uses the Duramax 6.6 litre Chev size air filter. The airbox kit, when you install it, it's reusing your factory mounts, so it's very easy to install, very easy to check your air filter and see how it's performing and whether or not it needs a change or a quick clean. So here we reuse the factory flexible joint, and then that comes onto our intake to turbo pipe kit. This kit also reuses the factory mounts, so very easy to install, no drilling or anything like that. It's 3.5 inch, almost the entire distance, and then it reduces just prior to the turbo, so there's not necessarily any need for a turbo upgrade. The first pipe in the intake to turbo kit also has housing for the factory MAF sensor here, so your engine will still be able to monitor the airflow. This vehicle also has our turbo to intercooler pipe as well. It's a bit tricky to see once it's installed in the engine bay, but we'll try and get you a video of that one later. Okay, so all these parts obviously have the air intake come from somewhere, and that would be the top of the snorkel. First thing you'll notice about this one is it's not rear facing like most of ours are. Now the reason for this in this case is we've got a fair few roof accessories here, so rear facing could be affected with those. So we've just got a ram head here on the top, and that'll also reduce some of the noise that can come in through the window as well. All of our products on this vehicle help support healthy air intake, and they also support the other performance upgrades that this vehicle has. Being a V8, air intake is really important, and these products will definitely help your car. Thanks for watching, guys, and seeing all the products we have available for the VDJ70 series range. If you'd like to check out any of these products for yourself, head to moonlightcustomfabrication.com.au/shop. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you in the next video. If you would like to see more, follow us on Facebook or Instagram, or please subscribe to our website, moonlightcustomfabrication.com.au.